Lesson: Identifying opportunities for business improvements. Identifying opportunities for business improvements is a critical function within organizational and enterprise analysis, a core component of the Certified Business Analysis Professional certification. This process involves a meticulous examination of current business operations to uncover areas where enhancements, efficiencies, or innovations can be introduced to improve performance and achieve strategic objectives. To approach this effectively, professionals must employ actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that facilitate the identification and execution of improvement opportunities. One of the foundational tools for identifying business improvement opportunities is SWOT analysis, which stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This framework allows professionals to systematically evaluate internal and external factors affecting an organization. Strengths and weaknesses are internal factors that the organization can control, such as resources, processes, and capabilities. Opportunities and threats are external factors that are influenced by the market, competition, and other external forces. A thorough SWOT analysis helps business analysts understand where the organization stands and identify areas that require improvement or where new opportunities can be seized. In conjunction with SWOT analysis, the concept of value chain analysis, introduced by Michael Porter, offers another powerful framework for identifying improvement opportunities. By examining each step of the value chain, from inbound logistics to operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and service, analysts can pinpoint inefficiencies and areas for enhancing value delivery. For example, a manufacturing company might discover through value chain analysis that its outbound logistics could be optimized by adopting a more efficient distribution model, thereby reducing costs and improving customer satisfaction. Root cause analysis is another essential methodology used to uncover underlying issues that impede business performance. RCA involves identifying the fundamental causes of problems rather than merely addressing their symptoms. Tools such as the 5 Whys and fishbone diagrams are commonly used in RCA to systematically drill down to the root cause of an issue. By addressing the root causes, organizations can implement more effective, sustainable improvements. For instance, if a company experiences frequent production delays, RCA might reveal that outdated machinery is the root cause, leading to the decision to invest in new equipment as a long-term solution. Moreover, benchmarking is a powerful strategy for identifying improvement opportunities by comparing an organization's performance against industry standards or best practices. This process involves measuring key performance indicators against those of leading companies to identify gaps and potential areas for enhancement. By understanding where a company stands relative to its competitors, business analysts can set realistic improvement targets and develop strategies to achieve them. For example, a retail company might benchmark its customer service processes against industry leaders to identify and implement best practices, thus enhancing its competitive positioning. A practical tool that complements these analyses is the use of data analytics and business intelligence. With the advent of big data, organizations have access to vast amounts of information that can be analyzed to uncover patterns, trends, and insights. By leveraging data analytics, companies can make evidence-based decisions that drive improvements. For instance, a retail chain could use data analytics to analyze customer purchasing patterns, leading to the optimization of inventory management and personalized marketing strategies that increase sales and customer satisfaction. In real-world applications, the integration of these frameworks and tools can be illustrated through case studies. Consider the example of Toyota, which revolutionized its production process through the implementation of lean manufacturing principles. By focusing on eliminating waste and optimizing processes, Toyota was able to significantly increase efficiency and reduce costs, setting a new standard for the automotive industry. This transformation was achieved through a combination of value chain analysis, root cause analysis, and continuous improvement methodologies like Kaizen. Another example is the banking sector, where institutions have used business process re-engineering to streamline operations and enhance customer service. By fundamentally rethinking and redesigning processes, banks have been able to reduce transaction times, lower costs, and improve service delivery. This approach often involves a comprehensive analysis of existing processes, benchmarking against industry standards, and the application of technology solutions to automate and optimize operations. Statistics further underscore the importance of identifying opportunities for business improvements. According to a study by McKinsey and Company, organizations that actively pursue process improvements and innovations report a 30% increase in productivity and a 20% reduction in costs on average. These figures highlight the tangible benefits of implementing structured improvement strategies and the potential for significant competitive advantages. To effectively apply these tools and methodologies, business analysts must adopt a step-by-step approach. The process begins by clearly defining the problem or area of focus, followed by gathering and analyzing relevant data. SWOT analysis and value chain analysis can be used to gain a comprehensive understanding of the current state of the organization and identify potential areas for improvement. Once these areas are identified, root cause analysis helps pinpoint underlying issues, while benchmarking provides a perspective on industry standards and best practices. Subsequently, the implementation phase involves developing actionable strategies to address identified improvement opportunities. This may include process reengineering, technology adoption, or organizational restructuring. Throughout this phase, it is crucial to engage stakeholders and ensure that there is alignment with the organization's strategic objectives. Finally, the impact of these improvements should be evaluated through ongoing performance measurement and feedback loops, allowing for continuous refinement and adaptation. In conclusion, identifying opportunities for business improvements is a multifaceted process that requires a strategic and analytical approach. By utilizing frameworks such as SWOT analysis, value chain analysis, root cause analysis, and benchmarking, along with leveraging data analytics, business analysts can uncover insights that drive meaningful change. These methodologies, supported by real-world examples and statistical evidence, demonstrate the effectiveness of structured approaches in enhancing organizational performance. The proactive identification and implementation of improvement opportunities not only contribute to achieving immediate goals, but also ensure long-term sustainability and competitiveness in the dynamic business landscape.